Stop! That was almost the stop! I'm trying to make a video. Stop! Spinges, dude, spinges.
Hey everybody, I'm Hunter Dunlow and we're here at the Spinges headquarters. Today we're going to show you the first of many new inventions we have. This one right here is called the In-Between Kit. Basically what it is this piece is actually...
What? You forgot. Patent pending.
Oh yeah, that's right, patent pending. But anyways, this piece is the in-between piece. You can put it between your fingers, between your toes, you can put it up somebody's nose.
We're not going to do all that.
Probably shouldn't do that, but anyways, you take these little...
Hey, don't forget.
Oh yeah, making America great again.
Don't think I'm getting too big for carrying all these.
No, I don't think that's a problem, man.
Say your weights.
Anyways, you got these little connector pieces, and basically you connect it to the in-between, put it through your spinner, and then lock it in. And basically, I mean, you can do just about anything with that. You stack them just like Legos. How many things you got on there now, Jake?
I'm not sure. I know I got a lot. Let me count them. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 of them.
Gracious, with all those, you might need a shark.
Who's a shark?
You ain't never heard of Mark Cuban Man on Shark Tank?
Man, I tell you what, I'm not putting no more of these on tonight. But next time we video, I'm going to add 10 more each time. And I'm going to have the world record Spinget Tower.
Alright. You heard it here first, the world record spinner tower.
Hey bro, try to spin this.
I'm bored.
You can't spin it, can you? Here, try to spin this one. You like this one? You don't like it? Which one do you like? You like this one? You like the thumb slider? You like it? It's fun, isn't it? Check us out on Facebook.
I ate shiny ones.
Alright, so again, we are Spinges, and these are our products right here. The In-Between Kit and the In-Between Kit with
Dude, why
your
did you put the
added
cat on the
spinner.
table?
He wants to
Come on,
spin.
Colton.
He wants
The
to
cat off
spin,
the
man.
table.
What's his name?
He's kind of cute though.
You don't have a name.
I got Spinges.
Spinges.
There you go.
Yeah,
Got one
names.
now.
Get this cat down.
Anyways, thank y'all. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel. Like us, follow us,
Subscribe.
Spinges. Thank y'all.
Every video, we're going to stack 5 more to it. And we're going to make the world's biggest tower, literally.